Now, this past week, we watched AMC stock go from roughly $59 per share down to around $54 per share, and yes, it was a red week. One of the first red weeks we've had in the last several months, so please keep that in mind. I know a lot of people get discouraged the moment they see red anywhere in the stock market, whether it's 0.5% or 10%. It seems like sentiment just goes by the wayside and everybody likes to get a little bit nervous. Well, I'm here to say that consolidation is healthy. Consolidation is necessary, and that is exactly what we are seeing with AMC stock. So please do not be concerned at this point. We are exactly on target, and short interest is still looking very healthy when it comes to AMC. So let's talk a little bit about the game plan ahead and what's in store for AMC. So of course, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and of course, we are growing our portfolios together. All right, now AMC stock. Yes, we had a down week. Man, I did live streams every morning, every afternoon, and one of the questions I saw most often was, should we be concerned about the consolidation? Is it okay that AMC stock is coming down? Are we only ever going to see red from here on out? Oh, guys, it doesn't mean that just because we have a couple red days that it's going to be red forever, right? It does not mean that, and it's very funny to see, and I don't know if it's the fact that there's so many new investors involved with AMC or what the deal is, but as soon as you get 2 down days in a row, as soon as you get 3 down days in a row, people almost want to jump ship, and they say that, well, it's never going to go back up from here. Please, do not forget where we came from. It went from $2 to $20, back down to $5, stayed in the $5 to $8 range forever, then was in trading in the $12 to $8 range forever, and before it really broke out and moved higher. So get a grip on it, because what do you think's going to happen from the $50 to $60 range? Exactly what we were seeing from the $5 to $10 range and the $10 to $12 range. We need to find a level of support that AMC is accepted at in the market. You know, before when we were trading at $12 and we finally found acceptance at the $8 range, that was okay. A lot of people thought the exact same thing that they're thinking right now. Well, this could be over with. Is it ever going to go back up past $12? The battle for $14.50 was ridiculous. If you guys don't remember how strong that level of resistance was at $14.50, it was there. And I know we're seeing the same thing right now with $60, and it is okay. We have a level of support at $52 per share. Now, yes, we may bounce off of that level in the week to come, so we may watch AMC drop down a couple of dollars before we see it bounce again, but it's all right. You know, I feel like I have to reassure people, because red days do not mean that the game is over. So let's talk quickly about the short interest that is outstanding on AMC. I'm sure you've seen in almost all of the videos by now that there are 85 million short shares remaining on AMC stock. This is excellent news. Now, yes, this does mean that the hedge funds have covered some of their positions. The last reported shares outstanding, or the last reported short shares outstanding, were 102 million. Now, that 102 million has turned into 85 million that are being reported as short. And don't think that we can't accomplish what we've set out to accomplish with 85 million short shares remaining. We absolutely can. Now, I know a lot of people want to see billions of short shares or hundreds and hundreds of millions of short shares outstanding, but it isn't necessary, right? Sure, it would make things easier. Sure, it would be icing on the cake, but it isn't necessary to accomplish the exact plan that we've set out to accomplish. What is that? If you need reminded, it's that we buy the shares, we hold the shares, and we do not allow the hedge funds to buy those shares back until they offer us a higher and higher and higher price, until we finally accept that. And whether your price is $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 per share, the plan remains the same. We hold the stock, we eat up that supply, and we do not allow that supply to be given back to the hedge funds. Very simple. So let's talk about what that means, the 85 million, because I see a lot of people, and I've seen it on YouTube, man, everybody is looking for some sort of a manipulation play or a conspiracy play where they're trying to uncover the real short percentage that's out there. Guys, the 85 million number, that is the real short shares outstanding that is out there. Sure, you might want to dive down that rabbit hole and look for dark pool shares or shares that don't exist or naked shorts and so on. I'm not saying that they don't exist, but it's a little funny how everybody flocks to something that isn't confirmed, how everybody flocks to some sort of manipulation, or how everybody flocks to the conspiracy surrounding the whole thing. But it doesn't change anything. It doesn't change the fact that they owe 85 million shares. We own those 85 million shares, so we decide the price that we charge for those 85 million shares. And I've seen people, one of the last posts I saw on Reddit or something, somebody was doing a YouTube video on it, the fact that Ortex data was 350% incorrect. It was off by 350%, a multiple of 4.5. It was off back in January. Why are people so focused on what was happening back in January and the fact that Ortex was estimating data incorrectly? It's all right, guys. It's all right. We stay focused on the plan and we make the money that we've set out to make. Now, I hope that each and every one of you out there are not necessarily as focused on the conspiracies or thinking that we need the conspiracies to bail us out. Because, guys, if you really want to dive into it, and who knows, the big conspiracy of the day is maybe the hedge funds are planning these ideas that you need naked shorts. Or maybe the hedge funds are planning the ideas that you need some sort of manipulation in order for the short squeeze to work out. Because that is incorrect. What we have here is exactly what we need, and it's exactly what we're doing. The plan is working to a T. They've covered some of their short shares, yes, but we've gone from $2 a share to $54 per share. Please don't forget that. Please don't get distracted because the hedge funds want exactly that. They want to take your focus off the basics of it. They want to take your focus off how easy it is to watch this stock squeeze, and they're doing that by sending everybody in every direction. It's not just the fact that when we have a stock like Torch or Clover or something else, ALF, spiking, that's not the only distraction they have. Conspiracies, manipulation, rabbit holes can also be distractions. So please keep that in mind and please stay focused into the week ahead. And of course, guys, if that subscribe button is still red, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. And let me know down in the comments below right now if you guys are still holding and if you are focused. I want people to be focused, not on what could be happening, but on what is happening. So let us know down there. And we've got plenty of links in the description. Make sure to check out each one of those links, especially Webull. Sign up for Webull, deposit $100, get those free stocks, sell those free stocks if you want, and buy AMC. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.